Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can apply. I'm going to stop here so I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can apply Subway Surfers multiplier with friends. Okay, so there are two ways on how you can do this. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, guys, is you want to open the app. Okay, and what you guys need to do is to, of course, you want to stop playing the game and you want to go to the settings. After you stop the game, just click on quit here and then click on leave, and you will be able to see this. Click on tab to continue and you will be able to be in this page. Okay, so when you are here, guys, you will be able to see here this text here that says add friends and compete from the highest score. So if you click here on add friends, and then as you can see here, guys, it says here you have not added any friends yet. So what you guys need to do is you want to click on add friends in the top, and you want to enter the player tag. Okay, just search here for, just ask your friend for the tag, and then you want to enter it here, and you'll be able to search for it and add it to your own list, and then you can start competing with your friend. But if you want to send this to your friend, you can also see here your player tag here at the bottom. You can see here this code here. Just click on copy and then you can send it to your friend if they want to add you so that they can compete with you. Okay, so you can also click here on top run, and then you will be able to see like top runners in your country. Or you can also click on settings in the top right, and then you can click on connect Facebook. And then when you click connect Facebook, all the friends that you have on your Facebook, they will be able to see your scores and you will be able to see their scores, and then you can start competing with them. Okay, so another way, guys, is there is like Subway Surfers tag. It's like it's not released on App Store. It's in the app like Arcade, and it's paid, so you will have to pay for it, and you will be able like to play with your friends live. Like you can just see their progress directly. It's like you are playing with them. Okay, so but it's paid. It's you will have to pay for it, but I really believe this is like the best one. The best thing to do is to add here your friends, and you will be able to see their scores, and you can start competing with them. On the app you can see their scores. Just click, like I said, on add friends, and then you can add your friend here. So hopefully this one, guys, helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next tutorial.